If you have oily skin, if you have dull skin, if you have acne prone skin, then keep watching this video because this video is going to help you a lot. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, so today I have with me two products from one brand, and this is the Oriental Botanics Peel Off Face Mask and Tea Tree Serum. Okay, so basically this is an aloe vera, green tea and cucumber peel off face mask, and this is the Australian tea tree serum. Now before getting into the details of these two products, I'll be showing a demo of both of these, so you stay there. Okay, so before getting into the product details, I would like to talk a little about this brand Oriental Botanics. I had done a review on Oriental Botanics hair mask, and that was fabulous. That works like a charm. That's a very good product. And Oriental Botanics is actually an Australian brand, and the products of this brand are cruelty free. They have no parabens, no silicons, no minerals, and pure extracts are used while making the products of this brand. So this ensures that you are not applying heavy chemicals on your face, which is a relief because there are a lot of people like me who have sensitive skin and who have to choose their products wisely. So for people like me who have dry and sensitive skin, I think there should be more brands like these. So okay, I have never reviewed a peel off face mask on my channel because I feel the peel off process is not that smooth the way they show in the advertisements. So that's one of the reasons I don't review, and also I don't use peel off face mask. I find it a little cumbersome, so I don't use it. But this one I'll try to use and see how this fares. Okay, so and this is for clear radiant complexion, detoxifies, hydrates, nourishes and rejuvenates skin. No parabens, silicons, mineral oil and sulfate. This is 100 ml in quantity and this retails for 349 rupees. Okay, so what this claims is it helps minimize blackheads, helps tighten skin, improves skin hydration, helps lighten blemishes, helps brighten complexion. Okay, this mask absorbs impurities and toxins from the surface of your skin and helps to pull out blackheads and whiteheads and unclogs the pores. Okay, this is like a dream come true, I guess. Okay, so as I've not applied any makeup, that goes without saying, I've not applied any makeup. So I'll be trying out this and let's see how this fares. Okay, so for the application, I think it's the same. Yeah, on freshly cleansed face and neck, I've spread evenly a thick layer of the face mask. Avoid the eye area. Avoid around the eye, eyebrow, and hairline. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries out. When your skin feels tight, you have to pull it. And you have to pull it from the bottom upwards till it's completely removed. Okay, you have to pull it like this. If the pulling of mask is painful, rinse with lukewarm water. I hope it won't be painful. Okay, so let's apply this and I'll show you how this is. This is how it looks like. Very nice and travel friendly, I guess, but who will travel with a peel off mask? I mean, I don't know. Okay, so this is the texture. If you can see, it's like a thick gooey kind of a texture. Okay, so the fragrance is dominant fragrance of cucumber, and that's a very fresh kind of a fragrance. So I'll just apply it on my face and I'll just show you. I'll just start applying it on my face. I have applied it on my face. If you can see, this is a little transparent in color, just a slight yellowish color, and the fragrance of cucumber is so dominant, like you'll actually feel very refreshed while applying this on your face.
Also, this says that aloe vera hydrates the skin to restore its suppleness, while cucumber cools, refreshes and revitalizes. Loaded with potent antioxidants, green tea helps rescue your skin from environmental damage induced by free radicals. Mask contains papaya, which helps in removing dead skin cells and also helps fade blemishes and brighten complexion. For superior nourishment, vitamin B5 and E are infused in this face mask. With regular use, it restores oil and pH balance, refines skin, boosts clarity and increases radiance. This results in clear and glowing complexion.
So this has a lot of benefits. I mean, this actually claims a lot of things, and I think I can actually feel this tightening a little bit. I just hope this comes off easily. Okay, and what else this has? As I told you, this has multani mitti. This has panthenol, which is actually provitamin B5. This has papaya, green tea,
and cucumber, citric acid, fragrance, aloe vera leaf juice. I mean, this has a lot of good ingredients. Okay, so let this dry and I'll get back to you once I'll peel off in front of you.
This has dried off completely, And I must say this doesn't take much time to dry, because I have seen peel off mask taking ages and ages to dry, but this one dried off quite easily, quite quickly. So let's peel it off. I hope I don't peel off the first layer of my skin as well, because this really feels very tight. Okay, here it is. This is the first time I'm doing it, like first time I'm doing a peel off mask in front of you. Oh. You know. Hmm. You should avoid it at your hairline, because most likely this is going to pull off your hair as well. So you have to avoid it over there. Okay. Okay, this pretty much came off quite neatly, I guess. Yeah. I have removed this and this pretty much came off quite easily, I guess. No such pain or tugging at all. And actually I was trying to see, yeah, this also, takes out like that, you have small peach fuzz on your face. This also removes that, because I can see small, extremely small hair. Extremely small. So I think this is really good, and I'll just throw it. I don't like touching that peeled skin. I don't like that. It's not a good feel at all. Okay, so as you can see, I have removed the peel off face mask, and my skin might be looking a little red. That's because of the pulling and tugging, because my skin is very sensitive and it turns red whenever I do these kind of things on my face. But that doesn't mean the product is bad. Okay, so this is the second product, and this is the Australian tea tree serum, and this is also from the same brand as I told you, Oriental Botanics. And this has tea tree oil, and tea tree oil is very beneficial for people who have acne prone skin, who have oily skin, because tea tree oil basically absorbs excess oil from your skin and makes your skin feel and look very fresh, and it doesn't make your skin look dull. After removing this peel off mask, my skin is not feeling irritated at all, and this is really very good. Like, I have, as I always say, I have sensitive skin, so my skin actually turns very red after applying anything. But this brand, this actually, is a very good brand, I must say. Falling in love with this. Okay, so what this claims is that because of antimicrobial property of Australian tea tree oil infused in the serum, this is ideal to maintain the clarity and health of skin. Aloe vera helps revitalize the skin, and green tea provides antioxidant support. The lightweight, non-greasy serum leaves skin smooth, nourished, protected, and revitalized. With regular use, it helps diminish imperfections and assists in revealing dewy, luminous complexion. This retails for 1500 rupees, and also this is 20 ml in quantity. Main ingredients this has are aloe vera leaf extract, cucumber, rosemary, neem, and obviously tea tree oil, and this has lavender essential oil and peppermint and a lot of good things. So let's open this. I'm repeating my this outfit because I don't wear the color green much, and I like to match my outfit with the product, so I'm repeating this. Okay, so this is the cute little bottle. This is a glass bottle, so you have to be careful while carrying this. And this is a cute little bottle, and also this has no particular fragrance. This is fragrance free, which is very good, because artificial fragrance actually are not that good for your skin. So this is how the serum is, if you can see the texture. Okay, just a fine, I won't even say fine, just a faint lemon kind of a fragrance, just a very faint fragrance. So okay, so this is how it is. No fragrance. This this absorbs pretty easily and very quickly also. So let's apply this on face. After removing the mask, I have not washed my face, so I'll just apply this directly on my face, and let's see. Apply a few drops of serum on clean face, neck and decolletage. Decolletage is basically this area, neck and this area is called decolletage. So you have to apply it over here also, because this is also a part which is visible. Yeah, okay, so let's apply this. After application, this is already absorbed in my skin, and I have dry skin. So I think after applying the serum, I should apply a moisturizer, because otherwise my skin will get extra dry, because this has tea tree. Tea tree is good for oily skin people. So I'll see after application whether I have to apply a moisturizer or not. But otherwise, I think I have applied it, as you can see, and no redness, nothing, no irritation or anything of that sort. Yeah, skin is feeling actually very cool and refreshed. This has no particular fragrance, which is, I think, which is good. It is not having that striking tea tree fragrance or anything. This is feeling very nice, and this is not that oily, not that sticky. So I think this is good. I guess I liked it. You can use this serum daily on your face. Like after waking up in the morning, you can use this over a cleansed face, and also this pack you can use once a week for best benefits. You can use this once a week, so you can use these two combos and make your skin better. Yeah. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.